Question number 1 is given. All of the following are long bones except. Option 1 is given femur. Option 2 is given humerus. Option 3 is given tibia. Option 4 is given scapula. So correct answer is scapula. Let's see next question. Next question is the pacemaker of heart is. The pacemaker of heart is. Option 1 is given SN node, option 2 is given AV node, option 3 is given bundle of His, option 4 is given Purkinje fibers. So correct answer is option 1 SN node. SN node is the pacemaker of heart. Let's see next question. Next question is given the endocrine gland present in the base of brain is. Option 1 is given thyroid, option 2 is given pituitary, option 3 is given pancreas, option 4 is given parathyroid. So correct answer is option 2 pituitary. The endocrine gland present in the base of brain is pituitary. Let's see next question. Next question is given the plasma protein that maintains oncotic pressure of blood is. Option 1 is given globulin, option 2 is given fibrinogen, option 3 is given albumin, option 4 is given prothrombin. So correct answer is option 3 albumin. The plasma protein that maintains octantin pressure of blood is albumin. Let's see next question. Next question is given bile is the synthesized in the. Option 1 is given liver, option 2 is given gallbladder, option 3 is given stomach, option 4 is given pancreas. So correct answer is option 1 liver. Bile is synthesized in the liver. Let's see next question. Next question is given which of the following is a bleeding disorder. Option 1 is given anemia, option 2 is given leukemia, option 3 is given hemophilia, option 4 is given leukopenia. So correct answer is option 3 hemophilia. Hemophilia is the following is a bleeding disorder. So let's see next question. Next question is given a pregnant woman visit a hospital with hemoglobin level less than 8 gram by dial just 7 days before delivery. The ideal treatment is. Option 1 is given oral iron tablets, option 2 is given injectionable iron formulation, option 3 is given deworming the mother, option 4 is given giving blood transfusion. So correct answer is option 4 giving blood transfusion. So let's see next question. Next question is given the most common complication of a patient of insulin therapy is. Option 1 is given hyperglycemia, option 2 is given hypoglycemia, option 3 is given hypernemia, option 4 is given hyperkalemia. So correct answer is option 2 hypoglycemia is the most common complication of a patient of insulin therapy. Keep it in mind, the most common complication of a patient of insulin therapy is hypoglycemia. Option 2 is correct. Let's see next question. Next question is given cold shock is also called as. Option 1 is given hypovolemic shock, option 2 is given vasogenic shock. So correct answer is option 1 hypovolemic shock. Cold shock is also called as hypovolemic shock. Let's see next question. Next question is given if the pulse rate is more than 100 per minute, the condition is called. Option 1 is given bradycardic, option 2 is given tachycardia, option 3 is given hypernia, option 4 is given bradypnea. So correct answer is option 2 trachycardia. If the pulse rate is more than 100 per minute, the condition is called tachycardia. So correct answer is option 2. Let's see next question. Next question is given among the following, this is the only disease that has been eradicated. Option 1 is given cholera, option 2 is given chickenpox, option 3 is given smallpox. So correct answer is option 3 smallpox. Smallpox is the only disease that has been eradicated. Let's see next question. Next question is given tuberculosis is a predominantly spread by. Option 1 is given vector, option 2 is given droplet, option 3 is given fomites, option 4 is given food. So tuberculosis is predominantly spread by droplets. So correct answer is option 2. Let's see next question. Next question is anaphylaxis to drugs is treated by. Option 1 is given oxygen administration. Option 2 is given nebulization. Option 3 is given adrenaline injection. So correct answer is option 3. Next question is given oral vaccine is used to prevent. Option 1 is given tuberculosis. Option 2 is given mumps. Option 3 is given measles. Option 4 is given polio. So oral vaccine is used to prevent polio. So correct answer is option 4. Let's see next question. Next question is given substances that neutralize bad odor are called as. Option 1 is given detergents. Option 2 is given deodorants. So correct answer is option 2 deodorants. Let's see next question. Next question is given hospital dressings are best disposed by. Option 1 is given burning. Option 2 is given boiling. Option 3 is given dumping. Option 4 is given burying. So correct answer is option 1. Hospital dressings are best disposed by burning. So correct answer is option 1. Let's see next question. Next question is given chicken pox is caused by A. Option 1 is given virus. Option 2 is given bacteria. Option 3 is given parasite. Option 4 is given mosquito. So chicken pox is caused by virus. So correct answer is option 1. Chicken pox is caused by a virus. Let's see next question. Next question is given DPT vaccine protects against all except. Option 1 is given diphtheria. Option 2 is given polio. Option 3 is given tetanus. Option 4 is given pertussis. So correct answer is option 2 polio. DPT vaccine protects against all except polio. So correct answer is option 2. Let's see next question is given ORS mainly contains. Option 1 is given sodium and fructose. Option 2 is given sodium and glucose. Option 3 is given calcium and glucose. Option 4 is given calcium and fructose. So correct answer is option 2 sodium and glucose. ORS mainly contains sodium and glucose. Let's see next question. Next question is given dengue fever is transmitted by mosquitoes of species. Option 1 is given Aedes. Option 2 is given Anopheles. Option 3 is given Culex. Option 4 is given Mansonia. So correct answer is dengue fever is transmitted by mosquitoes of species of Aedes mosquito. So correct answer is option 1. Let's see next question. Next question is given Hansen's disease is a other name for. Option 1 is given malaria. Option 2 is given cholera. Option 3 is given tuberculosis. Option 4 is given leprosy. So correct answer is option 4 leprosy. Hansen's disease is the other name for leprosy. So correct answer is option 4. Let's see next question. Next question is given sexually transmitted disease include all except. Option 1 is given syphilis. Option 2 is given gonococcal infection. Option 3 is given AIDS. Option 4 is given typhoid. So correct answer is option 4 typhoid. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन पेम्पसियर का प्रयोग किसका निदान करने के लिए किया जाता है? ऑप्शन 1 इज गिवन ग्रीपा कैंसर. ऑप्शन 2 इज गिवन स्तन कैंसर. ऑप्शन 3 इज गिवन अंडाशय कैंसर. ऑप्शन 4 इज गिवन आमाशय का कैंसर. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 1 ग्रीपा कैंसर. पेम्पसियर का यूज ग्रीपा कैंसर के निदान के लिए किया जाता है. सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन Snell's chart is used to assess defect in. Option 1 is given ear. Option 2 is given nose. Option 3 is given eye. Option 4 is given finger. So correct answer is option 3 eye. Snell's chart is used to assess defect in eye. Keep it in mind. Snell's chart is used to assess defect in eyes. So option 3 is correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is given the permanent method of sterilization in male is. Option 1 is given condom use. Option 2 is given vasectomy. Option 3 is given tubectomy. Option 4 is given IUD provised by insertion. So correct answer is option 2 vasectomy. Vasectomy is the permanent method of sterilization in male. So let's see next question. Next question is given, the National Family Welfare Program in India was launched in. Option 1 is given 1952, option 2 is given 1958, option 3 is given 1962, option 4 is given 1965. So correct answer is option 1, 1952. In 1952, the National Family Welfare Program in India was launched. So let's see next question. Next question is given, neonatal period is. Option 1 is given up to 1 year of age, option 2 is given 1 to 4 years of age, option 3 is given first 28 days of life, option 4 is given 28th day up to 1 year. So correct answer is option 3, first 28 days of life. Neonatal period is, option 3 is the correct answer, first 28 days of life. Let's see the question again. Neonatal period is, option 3 is the correct answer, first 28 days of life is neonatal period. Let's see next question. Next question is given, the average energy value of a human milk is. Option 1 is given 50 kilocalorie per 100 ml, option 2 is given 70 kilocalorie per 100 ml, option 3 is given 100 kilocalorie per 100 ml, option 4 is given 150 kilocalorie per 100 ml. So correct answer is option 2, 70 kilocalorie per 100 ml. The average energy value of a human milk is 70 kilocalorie per 100 ml. So option 2 is correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is given, the main muscle of inspiration is. Option 1 is given internal intercostals, option 2 is given diaphragm, option 3 is given scalenus anterior, option 4 is given rectus abdominis. So correct answer is option 2, diaphragm. The main muscle of inspiration is diaphragm. So option 2 is the correct answer. Let's see next question. Next question is given, ECG is used to assess the function of. Option 1 is given brain, option 2 is given kidney, option 3 is given liver, option 4 is given heart. So ECG is used to assess the function of heart. So correct answer is option 4. Let's see next question. So next question is given, Bitot spot is conjunctive is a sign of deficiency of. Option 1 is given vitamin D, option 2 is given vitamin B12, option 3 is given vitamin B6, option 4 is given vitamin A. So Bitot spot is conjunctive is a sign of deficiency of vitamin A. So correct answer is option 4. Let's see next question. Next question is given, pasteurization is a procedure used to purify. So pasteurization is used to purify milk. So correct answer is option 4. Options are given, water, vaccines, meat, milk. So correct answer is option 4, milk. Pasteurization is the procedure used to purify milk. Let's see next question. Next question is given, inhalation of cotton fiber dust over long periods of time causes. Option 1 is given silicosis, option 2 is given anthracosis, option 3 is given bicyanosis, option 4 is given bagasosis. So option 3 is correct answer. Bicyanosis, inhalation of cotton fiber dust over long periods of time causes bicyanosis. So let's see next question. Next question is given, प्रोजेस्टेरोन का मुख्य स्रोत कौन सा है? ऑप्शन 1 इज गिवन अंडाशय, ऑप्शन 2 इज गिवन अधिभुकक बाह्यक, ऑप्शन 3 इज गिवन अधिभुकक मेडुला, ऑप्शन 4 इज गिवन पित्त व पिंड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4, पित्त व पिंड. प्रोजेस्टेरोन का मुख्य स्रोत पित्त व पिंड. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन 4. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन, द ड्रग ऑफ चॉइस फॉर इंडक्शन ऑफ ओवुलेशन इज. ऑप्शन 1 इज गिवन clomiphene, option 2 is given ethinyl ostradiol, option 3 is given danazol, option 4 is given levonorgestrel. So correct answer is option 1, clomiphene. The drug of choice for induction of ovulation is clomiphene. Let's see next question. ब्लूसेल्यूम चिमटी किसे पकड़ने के लिए प्रयोग की जाती है? ऑप्शन 1 इज गिवन योनि की पिछली दीवार, ऑप्शन 2 इज गिवन योनि के आंतरिक दीवार, ऑप्शन 3 is given fallopian tube, option 4 is given cervix. So correct answer is option 4 cervix. Let's explain this. Bacillum forceps are most often used in obstetrics and gynecology. Each pair of surgical forceps has hooks at the tip of each blade and are used to grasp the uterus and cervix. So correct answer is option 4 cervix. During procedures, all bacillum forceps are designed to minimize trauma to sensitive tissue while providing a secure grip. So correct answer is option 4 cervix. ब्लूसेल्यूम चिमटी सर्विक्स को पकड़ने के लिए प्रयोग की जाती है. So correct answer is option 4. Let's see next question. Next question is given the first event of puberty in girls is. Option 1 is given puberty, option 2 is given thalarche, option 3 is given menarche, option 4 is given pain abdomen. So correct answer is option 2 thalarche. The first event of puberty in girls is option 2 thalarche. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.